Hello, everyone, and welcome to a short guidance inquiry into our real nature. So, this is more like an inquiry, okay? I would like you to just inquire with me into the present experience, and it is something very amazing we will discover together. For that, I'd like you to first close your eyes and then just experience your current moment, your present moment, reality. So, just inquire into what is happening now in your experience. There may be some sounds, like for me, there is the sound of the fan, there is some chime which is chiming, some breeze, some different sounds are there. So, now in your experience, go and check in and inquire what all experiences are there in your awareness. And awareness is effortlessly aware of these experiences. Awareness, or I or you, are effortlessly aware of these experiences. So just become aware of that fact and relax. Now take your awareness to another aspect of your awareness, which is vision. So if you want, you can open your eyes, and now suddenly there is a vision, and there is different names and different forms which are visible. And just become aware of this very fact that within an instant, effortlessly, you are now aware of lot of forms, and we give them some names, but actually these are just forms. So just become aware of it. And now again, close your eyes. Now awareness is also there in the experience. There is awareness of touch, like I can feel and sense some clothes touching the skin, my feet are touching the floor. So just become present to that experience of awareness through touch. And then taste, experience of taste. So right now there is not any particular taste, obviously, but you might recollect. So you might have eaten just a little while back something, or had something to drink. So there is this experience of taste which we have. Just become aware of that fact as well. And then the last sense, awareness of smell. It again not very you might not be aware of it until there is something strong, like maybe a perfume or some other, maybe a foul smell or a good smell, but there is awareness of that smell as well. So these are our current experience. Just become aware of it and just notice how it is all happening effortlessly in awareness. There is sight, there is sound, everything effortlessly happening in awareness, and arising and subsiding, like sounds come, go, sight, vision. Right now, with your eyes closed, also, there might be some images maybe popping up here and there in awareness. And now let's go to the internal world. Along with all this sense perceptions, there is also this world which is going on within, of thoughts and some stories going on in the mind, some talks going on. Right now, just become aware, are you having some internal dialogue going on? Whatever it is, just be aware of it. So there is awareness of the world through the senses, awareness of this internal world of thoughts. There is awareness of the body. We are aware of the body, the physical body, and then the breath is moving in and out. Bring awareness to that. With the eyes closed and without going to memory, you might not have a sense of in and out. You might just have a sense of some movement of the breath. So just be present to that. Notice the thoughts, the internal dialogue keep coming. Something might be coming, arising in awareness. Just be present to whatever is happening. Now take awareness to your identity, a personality that you have, a self image that you have. So, for example, when I say Ankur, with that name, there is a form which is there in my mind of some things which about me I associate, as Ankur. I am interacting in the world, I am a teacher, I am a brother, I am a son, so different things are associated with that name and the form. So that is that image, self-image, an identity which you yourself look at yourself as, and also the world looks at you as that identity. So become present to that identity, but realize that that also is something which is observed right now in awareness. So we are now going to take even a step further back, so to speak, and move into this awareness which does not have any name and form, which does not have any identity, which is just there as a field, and in that field of awareness everything is happening, and this name and form has arisen in that field. Different sounds are arising in that field, but that field of awareness or consciousness is unborn. Inquire into it. That do you feel that this awareness has a birth and will it end, or is everything birthing and ending within it? Is space and time within it, or does awareness emerge in space and time? Does it have a boundary? Is there a place where you can say, okay, here is where I am there till my awareness, and here it ends, and then awareness of someone else begins? Is there a boundary to awareness? Is awareness this space that we have now discovered? Does it get affected by any thoughts or emotions? Just like clouds in the sky, do the clouds affect the sky? Waves in the ocean, do the waves affect the ocean? In fact, are the waves different from the ocean? So if there are thoughts, are they different from awareness? Relax. See what comes up. In a little while, we will open our eyes. But do you think anything will change? Will things change to this awareness? Your eyes open or closed, does it affect awareness? Or is it ever present? It was ever present, it is ever present. And are you this awareness or are you different than this awareness? Slowly, gently, let's open our eyes and just continue. Continue in this inquiry, continue in this experience or that we've now discovered. So I'd love if you tried this with me to share how you felt, what has been your experience, what's been your discovery. And for more one-on-one sessions, because it's very powerful if we do it together, you can get in touch with me. Have a wonderful day.